Hi, I'm Haspa with WTI.
And I was looking for a perfect way to help my dog's bad breath, and these treats are awesome. These Minties dental shoes are just the right size for small dogs like mine. I have a 5-pound Yorkie, and these shoes work for dogs up to 24 pounds as well. And what I especially love about it is that I can give him one every day, and while he's happily chewing, it's actually cleaning his teeth and also fighting bad breath, which is what I was looking for. Something that could help with that because I love snuggles. I love hugging him, but sometimes his stinky breath keeps me away from him. I don't want to play that much because that's the first thing that I can smell when I get close to him. And it also helps remove plaque and tartar. The mint flavor is mild, but he loves it, and I love that it makes his breath fresher. The shoes are firm enough to work on dental health, but soft enough that he doesn't have to struggle, and I feel so good knowing he's enjoying a tasty treat and taking care of his teeth at the same time. So if your small dog has bad breath or could use a little extra dental care, these Minties makes it easy and fun for them and for you as well.
And that's my point of view.